Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I am taking a request from this awesome subscriber right here, and I'm going to show you folks how to draw an owl in a tree. Before we get started, please feel free to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already, and maybe share this video with somebody else who likes drawing. All that really helps the channel. Okay, so I'm gonna start our drawing our owl with his beak. So I'm gonna do almost like a little triangle shape here, and then we're gonna come on down to a point. So it's kind of like a diamond. Okay, now he needs eyes. So I'm gonna make him kind of like a grumpy little owl. So I'm gonna do a line like that and give him a great big eye. And over on this side, we're going to try to do the same thing. So this eye is a little bit bigger than this eye. That's okay. We can try to match these up. I'm going to thicken up this line, and I'll thicken up this one, make it a little bit longer. And I can darken the inside of this circle like that, and make the outside of this one a little bit bigger. And lengthen this a little bit, and lengthen this one a little bit more too. So now our circles match a lot better than they did. Okay, so on the inside of these eyes, I'm going to do another little circle and color that in dark. Same thing over here. He's gonna be grumpy, but I think he's gonna be cute. He's gonna be a cute grumpy. Okay, so now he's gonna have some strokes coming down here for his big floofy eyebrows. And I'm gonna give him kind of a flat top of the head here. And we're gonna come on down with a bit of fur. Well, not fur, sorry, feathers. Just kind of ruffled feathers. So we're just doing all these little strokes. And I'm going to do the same coming down this way. Kind of his like neck area. And now shape like this. And same on the other side. And a line right there. So now this is his wing. And same over here. He's got a wing right there now. And I'm gonna give him a little foot here. So 1, 2, 3 little toes. And I'm gonna do a line, a little curved line on each one of these things. So he's got like a little claw. And we can darken in that little claw. And so let's give him a little bottom right here. And now he needs another little foot. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 more little toes. And he needs his little claw nails. And we're going to darken those ones too. All right, so I'm gonna go in and do a few little strokes here just to show kind of texture in his feathers. And I think when I'm coloring, I'm gonna make him, I'm gonna give him some brown and some grays and maybe brown grays. Yeah, brown and gray, and I'll use yellow for his beak and the same yellow for his little feet. Okay, so now he's gonna be in a little hole in the tree. So I'm making sure that he has his little feet here. So he's sitting on the opening of the hole in the tree. Okay, so this behind him is going to be all dark. And now I'm going to come on down And my line's not perfectly straight. That's totally okay. This is the tree that he's living in. Okay, so 2 lines on both sides. And I'm going to kind of add some lines kind of just around the hole he's living in. Just a few little lines here. And I'm going to add some lines coming up. And you see I made one here that's just like a great big skinny letter U. And do another one on the inside. And so these are just, you know, you look at a tree and you see all these different little lines in the tree. These are those. So lots of these great big U's with little U's inside. And let's see, let's add lots more coming on down. And these are all kind of wavy lines. I've never seen a tree with any lines that are perfectly straight. I don't think. And let's see, we need some more here. So these U's are upside down. And some more. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to add some color. All right, everyone, so we are done our picture of our grumpy little owl in the tree. I think it turned out pretty cute. Let me know in the comments below what you think. All right, so I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here for the next Daily Doodles. Bye!